Well, Mom and Dad, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, well, this is the second chance for second grader. Directly for presentations over here for the students. So thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for your coming and time for us and for the students. For the first presenter, for the first performance goes to Ananda Kenzi. Ananda Kenzi is the first performance. Okay. 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 Sorry, Mom, said that maybe I want to talk with Ananda Kenzi first. Okay, applause for Ananda Kenzi. Okay, so for the next performance goes to Ananda Fati. Where is Ananda Fati? Yes, Fati. Oh. Fati second grade. Okay. Yeah. I'm switching camera. It's okay. Keep a close, Mom and Dad. Inshallah. With me. Keep a close, Mom and Dad. Okay, with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good.
Kelas 2 atau kelas
Very good.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning, moms and dads. Good morning, friends. Thank you for coming. Today, I want to tell you about my school map. Here you are. This is my school, Al-Biruni Primary School. This is a gate. This is the second floor. The second floor is toilet. In front of toilet is 2 ICP. Next to 2 ICP is 2 rack. Next to 2 rack is 3 ICP. Next to 3 ICP is 3 rack. Next to 3 rack is 2 ICP. Next to 2 ICP is women. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good job, Fati. How do you feel, Fati? Are you okay? Okay, right? Okay, right? Yeah, okay, Mom said it. Okay, so let's listen for your mom's opinions about your performance. So you stay on the stage, okay? Okay, oh, that's good. Mom?
Fatih.
Mana mic guys? Fatih mana?
Can you repeat your presentation?
No.
If I give you chance anymore, can you repeat your presentation? Can you? No.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Cover up. Dan jantungnya berdebar Okay, because I know that's not easy actually for stand up over here on the stage, Ayah Bunda. So please give appreciation for your son. Okay.